Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a treasure map. Let's start off by drawing a line that spirals out. A wavy line going out to the right that turns and spirals back in. From the leftmost point, draw a line that goes up and then slightly to the left. Then, from the right side of the spiral, draw a similar line that goes up and then slightly to the right. Mirror these steps on the right side as well, and close out the tops with a wide curve like so. Draw a short vertical line from the tips of both spirals here. To finish off the parchment, copy the bottom edge of the map on top, but add a few V-shaped notches to make it look like it's tearing. Now we can draw the map. To draw an island, use some really jagged and bumpy lines to make its outline. It doesn't have to match exactly. You can make yours look however you want. You can even have more than one island on your map. Next, somewhere on the island, draw a big X. And to add some more detail, draw a few lines for waves surrounding the island. For some mountains, draw some upside-down V-shapes of different sizes. We can even draw some lakes with some shaky lines. Then add some wave lines inside of them. Lastly, don't forget to draw the compass. Start with a cross shape, a smaller circle in the middle, and write N, E, S, W, going clockwise around the compass. And now you've got a treasure map.